Welcome to wpwebexpert.online, your go-to source for mastering WordPress and website customization. I'm here to guide you through the intricacies of WordPress, from theme selection to advanced customization. Let's dive into the world of WordPress and transform your online presence. Today, I'm going to explain how you can customize your website. First, go to your website, but make sure you log into your WP dashboard. This is your customization panel. Every theme comes with premium features, and if you want additional features, you can purchase them by clicking on them. The theme I'm currently using is Ocean WP, but you can change it by clicking on the Change button. The next step is to address your website's site identity. This involves configuring essential elements like the site title and tagline. It's a crucial part of defining your website's identity and branding. The site title, which appears here, should closely mirror your website's URL for consistency in branding. Your tagline serves as your website's motto and slogan. It's a brief, catchy phrase that conveys your site's purpose or message. You can easily manage your site's tagline and ensure it aligns with your website's identity. A tagline is a short and memorable phrase that represents the essence of your website. It's like a catchy motto or slogan that summarizes what your site is all about. You can conveniently set and modify your tagline to make sure it resonates with your website's mission and branding. The site icon can be customized and is visible in various positions on your site. The dimensions for the site icon are specified here. Colors. You can alter your website's color scheme from this section. You have the flexibility to change the colors for elements like H1 and H2, all within this area. In the Colors section, you can easily modify the color palette used across your website. This customization allows you to change the colors of important elements like headings, H1 and H2. It's a convenient way to harmonize your site's menus are a fundamental aspect of your website's structure. You can create a menu and customize its name to your preference. The menu's placement can be adjusted by selecting from the available options, and let's proceed by clicking Next. After naming the menu, you can start adding items. You have the flexibility to include pages such as the home page, About Us, Shop, Courses, or any custom pages you've created. This helps create a well-structured navigation menu for your website. You can observe these menu pages in both the header and footer sections of your website. This ensures consistent and easy navigation for your site visitors, as the menu is accessible from multiple locations, improving user experience. Now you can arrange the page positions by simply dragging and dropping them. You can make changes with ease by just clicking on the desired item. As a result, you'll observe these adjustments reflected in the website's header. Widgets are handy pre-built tools, including sidebar settings, which offer flexibility for customization or removal. This means you can tailor your website's sidebar to your liking, adding widgets that match your content goals. Whether it's recent posts, categories, or any other widget, you have control. It's an efficient way to shape what your visitors see on your site's side panel, optimizing the user experience. Similarly, I'll demonstrate how to create a table with 2 rows and 2 columns, and you'll see the results once it's published. This illustrates the process of configuring your sidebar widgets. It's a practical example of how you can design your website's layout to meet your needs. Next, we have the home page settings. In this section, you'll find the option to choose whether your latest post should be displayed on your home page, meaning your landing page and your post page are the same. However, you might want to keep them separate. To do this, click on the Static Page option. By selecting this, you'll have the opportunity to set your home page and post page as distinct entities. In my case, I've configured it for a home page and a blog page since I plan to write blogs. If you're running an online business, you choose a shop page to showcase products separately from your blog content. Moving on to home page settings, this is where you can control what appears on your website's front page. By default, your latest posts will be shown, essentially making your landing page and post page the same. However, if you want to differentiate them, you can do so by selecting the Static Page option. This allows you to set a specific page as your home page and another as your post page. In my case, I've chosen a home page and a blog page since I'll be creating blog content. For those running online businesses, you can designate a shop page to showcase products separately, avoiding any merging with your blog posts. Styler for WP Forms is a plugin designed to help you customize the appearance and settings of your WP forms. It allows you to fine-tune the design and functionality of your forms to better match your website's style and requirements. Additional CSS serves as your dedicated CSS code page. It provides a space where you can create custom CSS code. As demonstrated here, you can see that I'm about to write a code for text that slides into view. This custom code can be added to your website's CSS tab, allowing you to incorporate special design features, like sliding text, into your content when needed. This gives you the flexibility to enhance your website's visual appeal and interactivity. The explanation emphasizes the purpose of the additional CSS section and how it allows users to insert custom CSS code for unique design elements, such as sliding text. In the typography section, you have control over various design elements. You can adjust the body text color, line spacing, and font style. These changes become apparent when modifying the header settings. Furthermore, you can customize logo size, font styles, and other elements in this section. It also allows you to fine-tune the appearance of your main menu text and various settings for the menu you've created. This area provides comprehensive control over your website's typography and visual design. Additionally, this section offers the flexibility to modify logo sizes and tweak font styles, enabling you to perfect the visual identity of your site. You can also make adjustments to the main menu text and various menu settings, tailoring your site's navigation to your exact preferences. In essence, this section serves as a hub for comprehensive typographic and visual customization, giving you the tools to achieve the look and feel you desire for your website. Next, let's address the page title. As you can see, my current page title is Home, and I have the ability to modify both the text and size of this section. Everything you'd like to customize can be found right here, accessible with just a simple click. Moving forward, we come to the General Options section, which includes aspects like general styling and settings for the page title. Let's specifically focus on the page title option. Within this setting, you have the ability to decide where you'd like your page title to be displayed. This includes settings for PC viewing, mobile devices, and tablets. As an example, I've chosen to hide the page title from all screen views because I prefer not to occupy that space. As a result, the page title section has disappeared from the website. In this context, the explanation highlights the General Options section and, more specifically, the control over page title visibility across different screen types, with the example of hiding the page title to save space. Pagination comes into play when your website has a significant amount of content. It allows you to split that content into separate pages for better organization. This is particularly useful when you have a lot of articles, blog posts, or products to showcase, ensuring that your website remains user-friendly and easy to navigate. Here are additional choices available within this section. If you're planning to create a website for your blog, this is where you can configure blog options. After clicking on Blog Entries, you can customize the layout of your archive and individual entries to suit your preferences. You can also modify the layout of a single post page. For instance, you can choose to have the featured image displayed at the top with the rest of the content below. All these adjustments are made easily by using a simple drag and drop interface, allowing you to achieve the desired look and feel for your blog pages. In the header general settings, I prefer a minimal header style. By selecting Header Full Width, I ensure the header spans the full width of the page. Additionally, I've adjusted the logo size to fit perfectly within the header section. As you can see, these changes have been applied, and after publishing, the header has a sleek and appealing appearance. You have the option to remove the top bar if you wish. It's also incredibly easy to incorporate social icons and configure related settings, all with just a single click. WooCommerce is a vital plugin designed for those planning to create an online shop. It offers comprehensive control and customization options for your e-commerce needs. Here, you can fine-tune every aspect of your online store, from product listings and payment methods to shipping options and more. WooCommerce empowers you to tailor your online shop according to your specific business requirements. Next, we have the footer, and you can customize it as per your preferences. In the footer bottom section, you can modify the credits to align with your website's identity. This concludes the process of customizing your WordPress website, and these options can be applied regardless of the theme you've chosen. This portion of the script introduces the footer customization, the adjustment of footer credits in the footer bottom section, and summarizes the completion of website customization using any WordPress theme.